Welcome to my channel Maths by Meenakshi. In this video I am teaching you exercise 3.3 of chapter 3 coordinate geometry of class 9th NCERT Maths. So coordinate geometry 3.2 I have done in previous video. Now 3.3 I am starting. In this video I am teaching you about quadrants that I have told you before in introduction. What are quadrants? Now see, this is Cartesian plane and these four parts are called quadrants, and first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So now you will see here the signs of these quadrants. What are the signs of coordinates in first quadrant? What are the sign of coordinates in second quadrant, and what are the signs of coordinates in third quadrant, and what are the signs of coordinates in fourth quadrant. So you can see here right hand side this is x-axis and right hand side positive values, and upward of y-axis is positive value. So when we look at any point in this quadrant, x is positive, y is positive, and when we locate any point in second quadrant, here x coordinate will be negative because it is on the left hand side of the origin, and upward of the origin means y should be positive, and in third quadrant both will be negative. Why? Because here x axis lies on the left hand side of the origin, means this is origin, and downward of the origin means negative values of y. And in fourth quadrant, here x axis is positive right hand side of the origin, and downward side of the origin, that is negative values of y. So you can learn these signs by any trick. This quadrant both are positive, and in opposite direction these both are negative, and in second quadrant these are minus plus, and in positive opposite side these are plus minus. So how we will locate these points in these quadrants? Now first question of this exercise is, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. So पहले ही आपने इन पॉइंट्स को कार्टेशियन प्लेन में ड्रॉ नहीं करना, पहले आप अकॉर्डिंग टू साइन आप इनको बताओगे कि ये कौन से क्वाड्रेंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं, विदाउट एनी ड्राइंग. So without drawing we can see negative, x negative, y positive, that is second quadrant sign. So -2, 4 lies in second quadrant. Now 3, -1, these are opposite sign. Now x positive and y negative, मीन्स सेकंड के जो सामने वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट साइड था वो कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट है? फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. And -1, 0, as I have told you in exercise 3.2. Now y is 0. Y coordinate 0 is always on x-axis, means -1, 0 lies on x-axis, and which direction? X is -1, that is negative x-axis. Negative x-axis. 1, 2 both are positive, means first quadrant. Both are negative means फर्स्ट का जो वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट होगा वो कौन सा होगा? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. सो विदाउट एनी ड्राइंग दीज कोऑर्डिनेट्स वी हैव रिटन हेयर नेम ऑफ the quadrants of these coordinates. Now we will draw these coordinates in the Cartesian plane. So you can see, and on the graph you have to draw these points. It is very easy way to learn. So first point is -2, 4. So verification, -2, 4 should be in second quadrant. So see, in Cartesian plane, yes, it is in second quadrant. Here x -2 and y is 4. Now check 3 minus 4, 1. That is in fourth quadrant. 3 minus 1. So you can check here, x is 3 and y is -1, and this quadrant is fourth quadrant. So you can write here first, second, third, fourth quadrants. Okay, now next point is -1, 0. So -1, 0 lies on the x-axis, and x-axis is, that is negative direction, means -1, 0 is on the negative side of the x-axis. 1, 2, 1, 2, ये x positive, y positive. Yes, we have written here first quadrant. Yes, by drawing we have verified that this point lies in first quadrant. Now last point is -3 -5. -3 -5, we have written here third quadrant. Yes, now see, in Cartesian plane it lies in third quadrant, -3 -5. So firstly you have to write these names by seeing the signs. Then you have to verify, then locate these points in Cartesian plane. You will find that both have same answer, same quadrants. So this is the verification of first question, and you have to write these quadrants also. First question is completed. Now second question of this exercise is, plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. suitable unit means क्या होता है ये, अगर आप 1 सेंटीमीटर का यूनिट मान रहे हो तो चारों साइड जो भी नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव साइड सेम यूनिट आपने इसका डिस्टेंस लेना है. 2 यूनिट का 2 सेंटीमीटर का एक यूनिट ले रहे हो तो 2 सेंटीमीटर का ले सकते हो. वो आपकी होता है कि आपने क्या लेना, जो भी आपको सही लगे. Of distance on the axis. Now points are x, -2, -1, 0, 1, 3. These are values of x and these are values of y. Now what are the coordinates of this plane? -2, 8. X is -2, y is 8. And second coordinates are -1, 7. Third coordinate, x is 0, y is -1.25. And fourth is x positive 1, y positive 3, and next is x3 and y -1. So in coordinate form these can be written as, so how we will plot these points in Cartesian plane? See, in this graph, first point is -2, 8. -2, 8 here. X is negative and y is positive 8. And next point is -1, 7. X is -1 and y is 7. So this point is also in second quadrant. Next point is 0, -1.25. 0 means x0 means point lies on y axis. Y here -1.25. अगर हम इसको राउंड ऑफ करते हैं तो 1.3 बनता है. तो आप ये जो छोटी लाइन है इसको थर्ड तक लेके आ सकते हो. 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. तो -1.3 बनेगा अगर हम इसको राउंड ऑफ करते हैं, और x क्या है इस पे 0. एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज 1, 3. बोथ आर पॉजिटिव, मीन्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स लाई इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. x positive 1 and y 3. So points are here. Last is 3, -1 means x positive 3 and y is -1. So point is here. So this is your graph. This is your Cartesian plane. तो आपने ये जो Cartesian plane है ग्राफ पे ही ड्रॉ करना है. और ये कैपिटल X मीन्स x एक्सिस पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज ऑफ x, x डैश मीन्स नेगेटिव वैल्यूज ऑफ x, y मीन्स positive values of y, y dash means negative values of y. So from here you can draw the your Cartesian plane in the graph. With this question we have completed chapter 3. So you have to complete this chapter by understanding. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share is must for you. Thanks.